that. Right, let's start with pound yen. We retested this resistance at the highs. We've pulled back. Looks like we're still pulling back. First support is at 197. The next one, 196. I'm gonna move that one up here. But let's see if we can get to 197 today first. Look at the 4 hour. Let's move these over. So where's our first 4 hour support? 197, call that 0.4. 197.4 area. And resistance, if you can get a retest of a 4 hour resistance, it will be at 1987. Let's drop down to the lower time frames. 1 hour. I like the 30-minute. Right, so 30-minute support. It's a nice support right here. Goes all the way back to Wednesday. Let's put this one in. It's a low time frame support. It's about 197.9. You get a bounce from up here or down here. And then a lower time frame resistance. We've got 2, so 198.2. And then higher up, 198, call that 0.9. So /9. It's going to be the same targets. So that's pound yen. See if we can continue bearish. It's already broken yesterday's low. So there's a high probability it will continue down. See if we can get to 197 today. Let's add this to 5, 8. All right, let's take a look at gold. Gold looks to be dropping based on the price. Gold is dropping nicely. Might get a retest of this support on the daily. 260.6. Let's look at the 4 hour. So 4 hour obviously is pushing down. Strong 4 hour candle so far. It's under 3 hours left. But we do have a nice 4 hour range to play with. And we've got a support all the way down here. With a 4 hour candle that has no bottom wick at 2650. And then a resistance, 2707. we have a previous resistance there, so we could get a little retest. And then we've got a support right here as well. And then a resistance here. We've got a minor resistance there. I want to put that in. You know what? This one doesn't even matter because it's already been broken. So it's not really valid. But this one is a resistance right here. So let's see if we can get like a break and retest down here, or if we close below then continue down to this higher time frame support. So the first resistance 2696. Need a new target, so I'll look for that. And the support, so looking for a retest of here 2676. And the target will be the daily key level right here, so 2716 for the buyers. And for the sells will be the support, so 2650. That's gold. Show the levels back in this chart. I should have quite a clean range for gold to continue dropping. I did have some buys on last night after FOMC. So I had some buys at 192 and the candle made a bottom wick, flipped up, and then I added more at 94. So when this next candle opened, pulled back, started to flip, I added some more. I held, I wanted to hold for longer overnight, but I ended up getting out. I had a TP at 2709, so I got out there. Morning. So those were my gold buys last night. I wouldn't normally trade that late, but because of FOMC, I expected a bit of volume, which I got. But a lot of the time, gold will push during the Asian session. Didn't last night. The gold sells were the play this morning. Closure below. Little retest. I've got no top wick on the 7 o'clock candle, so we'll see if gold decides to push back up. see what pound yen does at this resistance. I mean support. Let's say resistance right there. Got a little tight range here. Already broken yesterday's low. Let's see. Gold just looks like it's tanking. No top wick necessary. Let's see if we can get a retest of this broken resistance and then continue down. Let's see what this daily is up here. Uh, 488 for it to flip. Yeah, I think we just gotta wait for some closures now. Especially on pound yen. I mean, the daily's quite bearish. We've already broken yesterday's low. So yeah, we'll see. I think we can come down and fill this wick. Weekly's weak bullish. 4 hour looks like it's gonna flip. The 4 hour flips and breaks this previous low, and yeah, we're gonna continue down on pound yen. But let's see if this 4 hour fills this wick first. Be some waiting around. GJ's mad bearish. I like the clean moves on the left. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, the sells look better for pound yen, definite. Especially with these top wicks like this at the resistance, kind of rejecting the push up, and they're not breaking the previous highs as well. And we've had this 30-minute engulfing near the 6 o'clock candle. So yeah, pound yen does look like, especially on the higher time frame, definitely looks like it wants to push down. I mean, this 4 hour looks like it's pushed up, done a retest of this broken support to then come back down. So I'm definitely here for the sells. Just got to get a nice entry. So either price respects this resistance, like gives it a tap and then drives down, or we get a closure below this support. So yeah, just a waiting game now. As per usual, waiting for these candles to close. Gold, okay, gold pulling up, probably to make this top wick. It's got to get to 86, 86.32. Got this weird little gap on pound yen too. Price jumped down. GJ, break that low. Pushing up. Gold doesn't want to make that top wick. Oh, hold it. Dropping. Gold is selling off. Yeah, if this had a top wick on it, then I would have been in these gold sells. But it just drove straight down. So we're gonna have to get a top wick at some point, maybe after we get a retest. This broken resistance potentially. Pound yen pushing up. Let's see. Closure above on GJ. I'm kind of bearish on pound yen at the moment. Kind of bearish on pound yen. It's because the daily is quite bearish. The 4 hour is pushing up though. It's kind of a counter trend trade. I don't like these wicks to the left on pound yen. It's kind of what's putting me off the buys, to be honest. But if we form a nice support here, I don't think we'll get a closure above on this 30 minutes. So maybe on the next one, if we can close above like some of these wicks or form a nice like strong bullish candle, then I'll be looking at buys on the next one, probably the 8 o'clock candle if we get a nice closure above. Yeah. Okay, gold pulled up a bit. Was looking for a retest of this resistance on GJ. So let's see if we get a continuation down. I've got tiny bottom wick pushing up. I know I'm always looking for buys or sells, but my main bias on pound yen right now is definitely the sells. And it looks like we got a retest of that resistance. Let's see if we push down. Pound is jerking around. Good for pound yen. Just continue dropping. If we get a resistance here, then potentially looking for sells down to the bottom of the range, and then further if this candle can stay bearish. Alternatively, if this resistance breaks, then yeah, we could get some buys up. We test this broken support here. About 17 pips away. Gold's pushing up. Was it just making a top wick? Still need a top wick for this candle, 7 o'clock candle. Alright, pound yen, what are you gonna do here? Break or hold? Yeah, I don't think this resistance wants to break. Nothing yet. If we get a nice support from the gold, we could see a push up. Let's see. If gold respects this support here, flips bullish and then drives up, could get some buys in on the way up. 4 hour is looking quite bearish though. Bearish structure. Big drop after the elections. Big drop. GJ 4 hour left the wick to be filled. Daily's bearish. Yeah, I agree, Caswell. Definitely more of a bearish bias on pound yen. Yeah, don't be fooled by a little push up. As long as you respect this downtrend structure, if we get a closure above here, it's not far, it's like 16 pips to the next key level, but I think I'd only be looking for buys if price closed above this broken support. Like if price closed above here, then I'll be looking for buys, because then the daily will most likely flip bullish, and then we can push up to like this resistance here, But yeah, it's got a ways to go before that. Gold pushing up, pound yen pushing up. Alright, pound yen, let's see what it does with these rejection wicks. Alright, pound yen, not doing anything really. Still gotta wait for that candle to close. Gold finally making this top wick for me. Right, we're gonna retest this broken support, 2690. There's not really much news today on both pairs. We only got orange folder news on gold, and that's about 3 o'clock London time, so should have an easy session. Right, we've made the top wick. Pound yen pulling back, kind of as expected. I wonder if gold is going to flip bearish now and continue to drive down. Now it's made this top wick. Okay, pound yen really rejecting those highs. What a drop. It was a big rejection. This is why I would wait. I would want to wait for buyers until this whole area cleared where these rejection wicks were. We've even got kind of rejection wicks to the left. So yeah, I did. Hurts to yawn. I'll need this whole area cleared. Ooh. Alright, gold's pushing up. I think we'll push back up on gold, to be honest. If GJ closes bearish based on the 1 hour, I'm thinking of sells. Oh yeah. Yeah. To be honest, if what am I doing? If pound yen after this candle closes, I'm probably looking for sells on the next candle regardless, because we've respected this resistance. We've created a lower high, nice rejection. I think with volume we can break below this support and continue pushing. So it's a bit more aggressive, but all the higher time frames are with us. The daily, 4 hours now bearish. So I'm just gonna put in that this 4 hour flip is here. Make it look like the daily. H4. Yeah, I think definite for me it'll be sells on the next 30-minute candle. Like I said, after it makes the top wick, especially on the 1 hour, and then breaks, yeah, I'll be in some sells. So yeah, let's see how this candle closes. We could even get a closure below on this 30-minute candle, to be honest. But I mean, when you do look at the 1 hour, you can see we're going to get the closure below on the 1 hour. We've got 6 minutes left, but it's a high probability we'll get a closure below on the 1 hour too. So yeah, definitely sells on the next candle. Need a nice top wick for a stop loss, otherwise our stop will be all the way up here. More than 30 pips would be a bit much. Like 30 pips I don't mind, more than 30 pips, yeah, a bit much. Just I want to get this engulfing on gold and probably push back up. Pound yen, break this support. Got a 4 hour wick to fill. Gold's having a little bit of a pullback. Pound yen reacted to the support, which is expected. It's what it does at key levels. See how these candles close. Oh, if pound yen closes below, the sells look even better. Go and drive down a little bit more, not too much. There we go. Go on, just a little bit more. Just clear some of these wicks. Alright, not too far. Not too far, just a little bit. Yeah, I have to talk to her nicely. Don't push too much without me. Then hopefully the next candle makes a nice top wick, potentially retest this broken support, and then we're in some sells. Let's get ready. Break of this low. Mine's on 86 on my broker. Let's get ready. Okay, it's retesting. Perfect. Got the broker support. You're on 20 pips profit. Okay, nice. So you got in kind of up here. Wait, where's 20 pips? Okay, nice, nice. Right, we're in our sells. It tapped at 86 for me. Use a 20 pip stop loss and then reduce it. Aiming for this next support. I had a little bit of a push. The cells are looking good. Yes, pound yen. Go on, keep going. I'll be right back. Oh, tried to sit down the wrong way. That was crazy. Look at pound yen, beautiful. 30 pips. That was quick. Damn. 5 minutes. Straight down to TP. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, gold tanking as well. What's going on? worry about gold, but yeah, GJ is the one. Lovely. Has where you get these sells? It was a very nice drop. That's why we stuck with our main bullish, bearish bias. A beautiful drop. A very nice drop. Can't believe it happened so quick. Super quick drop. Oh, super nice, man. Well done to everyone who caught that trade with us. Pound yen definitely delivered. Filled that 4-hour wick. Broke the low. Yeah, hopefully pushing down to this 4-hour support. But yeah, we're at 20 pips now. Did get to about 30. Well, more than 30, another 20. Where do we get to? 17. 36 pips. We do have a minor support here, so good luck. Well done if you closed. If you didn't, hopefully it doesn't pull back on you. Lock in some positions. Oh, very well done. 60 pips secured. Nice. Left the runner. Beautiful, beautiful. Very nice. Look at gold though. Thought we'd get a retest before it continued to drop, to be honest. But gold had other plans. Looks like he wants to fill this range. Pound yen still going, that's good. Not quite hit TP for me. But I think I'm going to secure some and then leave the rest running. Because I think we'll probably go lower than this support here. So I'm going to lock in 80%. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Good day at the office. And looks like we're about to hit TP. Beautiful, man. Is everyone still holding? Well, got runners on at least. Good stuff, good stuff. So simple. Pound yen has been so good to us during London session. So good. Now, where am I holding these runners to? My daily target, oops, that daily target was all the way down here. I don't think it would get down there, but I think maybe 197 flat. I think, yeah, 197. This support down here, daily support. If you can break below, but if this support holds, then I'll probably close and then look for another entry later. But yeah, I'm happy with today. Couple £100 on that drop. Could be done for the day, to be honest, and get some more recovery time in. Let's see, come on, break below this support, keep going, why not? Yeah, that trade was super easy. Closure below, entry on the next candle. Gold looks like it's just bouncing around. Judging by these numbers, what are you doing, gold? We didn't break the previous 30-minute low. Alright, gold, what are we doing? Pushing up. It's a long bottom wick. I can't believe how beautiful this pound yen trade was though, honestly. Just too easy. Oh, these ones are the best. What I do want to start looking at is like multiple entries, because I would have liked to take this retest and then the break of this low as well. So I think that's what I'm going to start doing. And then just manage and risk if I have to, but using the same stop loss. Yeah. What do you think? Good idea? Multiple entries, one trade. Yeah, it would be nice. In fact, let me update that win rate. Some of the losses have been silly as well. But even though it's like 10 losses, they've never been full losses. Obviously because of the way I manage risk. So yeah, we could have a 25 pip stop loss, but because we're cutting positions, we're only losing about like 15-16 pips instead, which does make a big difference. Alright, looks like this support is holding. We've still got 10 minutes till the candle closes, so we'll see. See what price does. Be a retest of this broken resistance. I really want this support here, so 197 is my target for today. Yeah, at least get to 197.40 for this 4-hour support, and then keep going down. looking at gold, but gold ain't ready for no move just yet. Come on, pound yen, just break the support. I don't even think I'll be looking for more entries actually. Just gonna just let this run. Crazy enough, I've been getting nice moves on Fridays. Yeah, same. I don't understand when people don't trade Fridays. I love a Friday. End the week off right. Let's see what's going on. Alright, 3 minutes, less than 2 minutes actually till this candle closes. Let's see what it's gonna do. I do want to move my stop loss into profit because I don't want price to pull back. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna pull up a bit, but we could get a resistance form to continue down. I think I'll move my stop loss to like above this 15-minute candle high, because if the next 15-minute breaks this high, then it looks like it might retrace a bit, and then I'll possibly get some more entries later if I get stopped out. So yeah, my stop loss into profits here. Got out to spell for a second. I'm gonna wait for this 15-minute candle to close, and then I'll put my stop loss above like the high of that candle. So wherever it closes, that's where I'll put it. So not just yet. Because it's forming a support off of this high time frame support of this 30-minute. So all let it do is pull back. And that's how I just manage that risk. I don't want the runner to pull back up too much. Still want the candles trending bearish. $8.30 candle opening. Make a little top wick. Gold pushing back up. Right, Goldie. If we get a closure back above this support, I'll be looking for some buys on golds. But we could still retest this support and then flip bearish and drive back down. So if price hits 65 on pound yen, we're gonna be out, or I'll be out of this trade. Looks like it might. Yep, hit my runner in profit. Alright, so gold's retested that support. And no bottom wick on this 8.30 candle. Let's see if it rejects, flips bearish, and then drops. Got a very nice trade today, guys. I think I'm gonna get off. I need to lay down. Not gonna lie. But yeah, I'll be back on Monday. Same time. for a bit longer. Yeah. Alright guys, yeah, peace out.